Does anyone have a clue what this is? I've been studying this onion with cloves. They smell marvellous. I'm going to drown it in milk and I'm going to bring it to a simmer. What could I be making? Breadcrumbs made by dropping in bread into the blender. And we're going to take out the onion and add in the breadcrumbs with a large knob of butter and maybe some nutmeg. It's really delicious. So breadcrumbs into the warm milk. And I'm going to keep going until it's a moderately firm consistency. It'll get a big blob of butter. And then this is a marvellous addition to a roast turkey meal. You have to try it. Oh, and if you're wondering about the onion, which is slightly soft now, I'm going to use it in the gravy. No waste.